Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Climate change questions can look sneaky, but this one is quick if you track what actually controls molting and what happens when snow cover shrinks. Start with the key cause. Researchers think molting timing follows seasonal daylight, not whether snow is already on the ground, because hairs started changing coats even when ground conditions did not match. Now, connect that to less snow cover. If daylight still triggers the same schedule, hairs will keep switching on similar dates, but the ground will match their coat color for less time. That means the immediate effect is more mismatch, with white hairs on brown ground or brown hairs on snow, so camouflage gets worse right away. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap signs can mislead, so do not rush. Rule, trust the given hypothesis and check each step.